Morning. So we are here in part of my garden that I don't use as a cutting garden. These are lemonade sunflowers. They're actually branching sunflowers, which classically we don't use branchers as cut flowers because they just don't last as long. But what I wanted to share with you first off, is this not a beauty or what? So we plant branching sunflowers a little bit different. We put 2 rows in a 30-inch wide bed, and we put them 12 inches apart. And so I did an experiment this year, and when I planted these, this side of the bed I pinched, and this side of the bed I did not pinch. And so this side has been blooming for weeks. It's had multiple heads on the top. You can see where they've been deadheaded here, and I mean quite spectacular. And I really had kind of thrown in the towel on the pinched ones, but guess what, friends? The pinched ones are coming in. Look how pretty, all these nice shorter stems, which helps them to actually not be at risk for going down in storms and stuff. So this is Lemonade Sunflowers. It's a brancher, and she's a beauty.